Use your hand and fork. Wow. Oh, undang. Bilisan ako.
Ano?
Balot. So wala. Diba?
Love you.
How it taste? So good? Wow. Try the rice. So yummy. Oh, I don't know. See? Look at the camera. The egg, the adobo egg is very nice. Look at the camera. Hi guys.
The chicken egg.
Mahilig ka mag-ganon-ganon, Dad. Simple thing. Feeling talaga. I love you.
This is a chicken egg, Ma.
Thank you, Daddy. Happy
It
Dad.
was also, Ma. It was an egg.
Thank you for reminding me. Sabi niya.